building an indie business in the center of venture capital. I am Alex Edmonds. People on the internet call me Supreme Rumham, and this is the Building an Indie Business podcast recorded in the Indie Business Studio. Okay, so today I want to talk about an SEO strategy that I saw on LinkedIn. And this is what I'm calling the web strategy because it doesn't have a name. So I'm calling it the web strategy. Okay, so let's get into it. So what the web strategy is, it's heavily based on Google Search Console. So you have all your pages and all the things you rank for, right? So you go on Google Search Console, you go to performance, you go down to all the queries that you rank for, and it'll show you the clicks, the impressions, your ranking, your average CTR. Okay, and then you have all the stuff that you rank for, right? And all the keywords and all the pages. And then what you do is you look for queries or keywords. I call them keywords. And what you do is you look for keywords or queries that you don't have a page for. So in the case of dog coloring pages, some of the dogs, they have slang for those dogs, right? So Labradoodle, some people call them labs. And I have data here that says I'm ranking for chocolate lab and yellow lab. So what I can do is I can create pages for chocolate lab and yellow lab, and that way the web is growing and that increases my traffic, right? I'm creating pages and I'm getting more of that new keyword. I'm optimizing my pages for that keyword, and so that new page will rank higher than the original page because I'm now targeting that keyword for that phrase, right? And that's my goal. My goal is to create pages that I can rank for. And of course, that slang word is going to have less traffic to it than the original one, but it's still more traffic, right? And I can do this a bunch. So I'm also ranking for puppy. So like golden retriever puppy, Rottweiler puppy coloring pages. So I can do that too. And that way you just keep the train going, the train of pages. Because apparently this strategy works, right? My creating pages strategy. So let me go through the data. So in the past 7 days, I've had 347 impressions. The average position is 29.6. I've had one click. I'm really focusing on impressions right now. So if you want to compare that data to the last 7 days, every time I record a podcast, I need to yawn for some reason. So 347 impressions. Last 7 days, 407 impressions. But here's the thing. The previous 7 days, I was ranking at, my average position was 35.1. And now, with less impressions, but I'm ranking higher, I'm ranking at 29.6 average. So we take that and we go the last 28 days. Actually, I don't have data for the last 28 days. That's awkward. Right. So I've only had the website up for a month. So, but for the last 28 days, I have 7 clicks, 1,250 impressions, and I'm ranking at 33.4. Then the previous 28 days, I have 73 impressions, and my ranking is 45.2. So I think the thing with the impressions is the ranking. I think the thing with the average position is that because I'm ranking for more pages, that dilutes the average position, but I'm also getting more impressions. Not this week, but still. Yeah, let's try to do it for the past 2 weeks. Let's see. Okay. The last 2 weeks. It is 4. So that would be the 20th. And then I would compare, no. I have to, the 20th to the 3rd. And then the 13th to the 30th. Wrong one. I have to do the 30th to the 16th, I think it is. 13th. Yes, that makes sense. Okay. And we apply that. Yeah. So the last previous 2 weeks, 5 clicks, 781. My rank is 32.5 versus 1 click, 292 and 39.5. Yeah. So that is the new strategy and an SEO update. I didn't really mean to do an SEO update, but it just happened. Yeah, I'm far ahead of what I thought I would be doing. So I thought I would be doing 2 pages a week, and I've done like 6 pages. So overall, in my SEO Excel sheet, I have about 70 products, and I thought that was going to take me 10 pages a month. I thought that was going to take me 6 months to get through, but I've done half of it already in 6 months, in 1 month. So maybe it's 3 months. And adding more pages will increase my traffic and increase my rankings, because I'm giving Google more traffic. Then I can optimize the store, increase the ranking that way. The only thing I'm wondering is, will people actually pay for these coloring pages? Because you can get them for free, but then mine are more detailed. So that's the risk I'm taking, right? Is, will people actually pay for these? But if they don't, I know that my page, if people end up not paying for the pages, we found out that creating pages on your website is a way to take something from 0 to getting a lot of traffic. And I think that has more value than people actually, like this store getting off the ground, right? Because I can just take the strategy that I used, and I can apply it to a store that I can sell things that people actually buy, right? Or I can take it and consult with people that have stores or whatever. So yeah. Yeah, that's actually a lot longer than I thought it was going to be, but it's kind of short. Anyways, thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye.